You spend 1/3 of your life unconscious. Sleep is not a power down. It is a complete systems overhaul. And most people have no idea what it actually does. While you sleep, your glymphatic system activates. Spinal fluid flushes through your brain, washing away toxic proteins, including beta amyloid, the substance linked to Alzheimer's. Sleep is when your brain replays and consolidates memories. During the day, your hippocampus holds information temporarily. At night, during slow-wave sleep, important memories transfer to long-term storage. The majority of your growth hormone releases during deep sleep. Muscles repair, tissues regenerate, immune system strengthens. You do not get stronger during your workout. You get stronger during sleep. After one night of 4 to 5 hours of sleep, your natural killer cells drop by 70%. After 1 week of 6 hours, your cognitive performance equals being legally drunk. The research is clear. 8 hours. Same bedtime every night. No screens 1 hour before bed. Keep your room cool and dark. Stop wearing sleep deprivation like a badge of honor. It is not a sign of dedication. It is a sign that you did not understand what sleep actually does. And now you do. 8 hours. Every night. Your brain will thank you.